Hi everyone, Tim Hilde here with Ambush Outdoor Products. Welcome to another Feature Friday. Well, Michael drew the short straw and he's going to be demonstrating how to replace the cartridge on our new Laveo Dry Flush Toilets. Take it away, Mike.
Hello everyone, Mike with Ambush here. Today, let's go over replacing the cartridge in your Laveo Dry Flush Toilet. After you're done, there is a cartridge that comes with them. You can also buy them online. You're gonna need more cartridges. I think you can even get them in a 3-pack. But basically, when you're done, you wrap up that whole cartridge, pull it out, and replace it. So let's do that today. First off, these toilets are very easy. They run off of 12 volt, and you just push this button once, and then it takes its bowl, comes up, wraps it like this, spins it, pushes it down, and you're ready to go again. And basically it's only got so many of those, and then it's time to replace it. So the first thing is you're gonna lift the toilet up, pull the seat off, set that aside, take your cartridge, reach under here, and there's a bag here that's got a rubber band on it. The cartridges come with a new rubber band and a new bag. So you take this whole thing, put it in there, pull your whole bag off. Suppose you could keep the rubber band to tie this off, but anyway, then this is ready to dispose. So you can either put the bag in here and wrap the rubber band while this octagon piece is in here, or you can pull it out. If you pull it out, you just need to make sure that this square is back into that square inside the toilet. So let's go ahead and get the new bag put in this. The bag goes in, you fold it around the edges, put your rubber band around, and now this is ready to be reloaded. Drop that down in there. Give this a twist and make sure that it's lined up with that square that's in the bottom. Then you're gonna take your brand new cartridge, and it has this octagon piece that fits in this octagon piece. Line up this tab with that. Drop your toilet seat on, and you're all ready to go with a new cartridge. Check out the Laveo Dry Flush Toilet, 12 volt system, no water needed. Comes with this powder. This is a nice deodorizer powder. If you read the instructions, it says to solidify and deodorize urine, use 1 teaspoon per 10 ounces of liquids. So sprinkle some of this on your pee, and technically what they say in the instructions, if you're comfortable with it, leave that in there, do that multiple times, and then flush it. So there you have it. Now you know how to change out the cartridge in your dry flush toilet.
Well, thank you for tuning in. Have a great day and all the best on the open water, I guess.